Emily has a class today. It is at a building off the main campus. She needs to take the train. All this week, she has taken the same express train every morning. The train is always crowded. She is always packed in tight with the other passengers. She didn't like it at first, but she has gotten used to it. It is just part of the morning. But today, she is a little late. She hurries to the station and up to the platform. She steps onto the escalator. She can see the train above her on the platform, but the doors close. The train pulls away. She watches it go from the escalator. She missed it by just a few seconds. She steps off the escalator onto an empty platform. She checks her phone. The next train is a semi-express. It will take a little longer, but it will still get her there on time. She waits. The semi-express arrives. She gets on. She looks around. It is not as crowded as the express. There are seats. She finds one near the window and sits down. She cannot remember the last time she sat down on this commute. All week she has been standing. She takes out her iPad. She opens her notes from the class. Today's class will continue from that lesson. She starts to read through them. The train moves through the city. Buildings and streets pass by outside. Inside, it is quiet. She reads. She doesn't feel rushed. She feels calm. The train arrives at her stop. She puts her iPad away and picks up her bag. She walks to the building. She is on time. She feels good. The class goes well. Afterward, she walks back to the station. On the way home, she thinks about the morning. She thinks about standing on the escalator and watching the express pull away. She thought she was going to be late, but she wasn't. And she had a seat. And she got to review her notes. Tomorrow is her last day at this campus. She will take the morning train one more time. She is already wondering, should she miss the express on purpose? She doesn't know yet, but she is thinking about it.